Welcome back to this video. If you use Alipay app, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to fill and update your Alipay app identity information without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about Alipay. So with that being said, let's get started. So Alipay identity update information come in a situation whereby the identity information you provide has expired or you have changed your name in your international passport. It is advisable for you to update your identity, resubmit your identity information into Alipay for proper update and continue to enjoy your Alipay app. So with that being said, let's get started. For you to do that, open up your Alipay app. Then click on your profile icon. Then click on this setting icon. Then click on account and security. Then click on manage account under your name. Then click on identity information. It takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on update name or ID number. Next, click on update now. Then right here, click on take photo to take a live photo of your international passport, just like what you have it right here, or better still, click on upload from album and submit. With that, Alipay is going to get back to you and confirm that your Alipay app has been fully updated and your identity information still remains intact without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about Alipay. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.